Hi guys, good day. This is Jay from Pageant Trend. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe us to Pageant Trend and as well as follow us on our Instagram account at Pageant Trend Official and to our Facebook page, Pageant Trend, and as well as Pageant Trend Philippines. So today, we're here now at Ever Bilena and I'm here with one of the candidates of Binibining Pilipinas 2024 and she is representing Aurora Province.
Hello,
Hi, I'm here with CJ. Hello, CJ.
Hello po. Hello, everyone.
All right, CJ, so how are you?
I'm happy and super excited din sa mga dapat pang abangan sa Binibining Pilipinas.
Bonggang-bongga. And I guess you have a lot of pasabog on your journey sa Binibining Pilipinas.
Yes po, so dapat nyo pong abangan yan.
Ayan. So how was your journey so far here at Binibining Pilipinas?
So far po, sobrang nag-enjoy ako and so far po na talagang super saya kasi yung band namin, yung sisterhood namin dito sa Binibining Pilipinas, sobrang nata-treasure ko na talaga siya. And super excited nga po sa about to happen po talaga dito.
Wow! And have you seen ba yung videos mo sa runway sa Pageant Trend Philippines? Nag-trending ka doon?
Yes po. Thank you so much for that video po.
You're welcome. And I guess you have a lot of supporters, lalong-lalo sa mga taga-Aurora.
Yes po. Sobra. Kaya po sobra akong grateful sa kanila kasi super hanggang simula po na nag-start ako sa pageant. So, hindi po nagbago, hindi po naging kulang yung suporta nila sa akin. Sobra-sobra po yung naging suporta po talaga nila sa akin.
And you're so blessed with them.
Yes po, sobra.
All right. So, they are watching right now. Do you have any message to them?
Hello everyone sa mga sumusuporta at patuloy na nagmamahal po sa akin, sa mga patuloy na nakasubaybay sa akin. Maraming salamat po sa patuloy po na pagmamahal na ibinubuhos nyo sa akin. And yun lang po at maraming salamat sa inyo. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo.
Alright. CJ, if you're going to describe your journey here at Binibining Pilipinas in 2 words, ano ito at bakit?
Fulfilling and grateful.
Wow. Bakit?
Kasi Binibining Pilipinas is one of my dreams. So, very fulfilling siya kasi unti-unti na nalalapit, unti-unti na nabubuo yung pangarap natin na talaga makatungtong sa Araneta, sa Coronation Night. And grateful kasi tinuruan ako na maging grateful dito throughout this journey po talaga. Kasi yung mga tao talaga na tumutulong sa akin without even asking for exchange. Sobra pong nakakataba ng puso and because of that po talaga, yung puso ko talaga, beyond grateful talaga.
Ano ba yung dapat namin pang-abangan kay CJ? Especially sa mga OOTD mo and as well as your evening gown and national costume ng
Yes po,
Binibining Pilipinas.
dapat pong abangan niya.
Ay, bonggo. So touch with Aurora.
Yes, sobra po. Parang pag nakita niyo national costume, okay. Aurora, taga-Aurora talaga.
Talagang may kilala, ay taga-Aurora.
Yes, sa Aurora talaga yan.
Wow.
Kilala talaga sa Aurora. So, dapat niyo po abangan yun. And since Aurora po kasi is composed ng 2, like non-coastal and coastal. So, guess na lang po. Alin doon.
Wow, bongga. How about your designer sa national costume? Sino ba ito?
Yes, I'm proud to say na ang designer ko po is si Direct Jomar Peralta of House of Victoria.
Wow.
So,
Is it also the same with your evening gown or may other
yes
designer?
po. Siya rin po ang nag-design ng evening gown ko.
Wow, mukhang kaabang-abang yan ha?
Yes po.
Siyempre si Sir Jomar Peralta, kilalang-kilala na designer
Yes po.
ng Natcos and as well as sa evening gowns.
gown, yes.
So for sure pasabog ito, dear. No?
Sabog talaga po.
Pero-
Direct Jomar yun eh.
Yes. Meron ka bang hint or any color na hindi pa pwedeng sabihin?
Basta makikita niyo yung kulay nito sa Aurora.
Wow, bongga. Okay, CJ, I guess this is your first time to join the national pageant, no?
No, second.
Second,
time.
ano yung before?
Before po yung Miss Cosmo World,
Uh-huh.
Philippines, yun po yung first ever national pageant ko.
So how is it differ to each other?
So far po, ang pinagkaiba talaga nila is yung treatment.
Treatment.
Actually. Though sa may Miss Cosmo World naman talaga, naalagaan din kami. Pero dito sa Binibining Pilipinas, talagang it's a family.
So, do you feel the competition ba here in
Ano,
Binibining Pilipinas?
I don't even feel the competition. Ang mas nafe-feel ko po talaga is yung bond, yung
Yeah,
sisterhood,
sisterhood.
yung pagiging isang pamilya namin dito sa Binibining Pilipinas.
Well, that's the great. And doon pa lang sa sisterhood, of course, you are considered as the winner or the queen, di ba?
Oh, yes, actually.
Ika nga nila, once sa Binibini, always sa
Always sa
Binibini,
Binibini.
di ba?
And
What's
Siyempre po, grateful din po talaga ako sa first ever national pageant ko kasi na-mold po nila
yes,
ako.
exactly. And I guess pinakabongga din yun, no, di ba?
Yes
Miss Cosmo.
po, Miss Cosmo po talaga. And dahil din po, may family din po ako nabuo doon. Pero, Binibining Pilipinas is Binibining Pilipinas po talaga.
Exactly. And of course, CJ, what it takes to become Binibining Pilipinas for you?
It takes a lot of dedication and determination. So, me as a Binibini and aspiring beauty queen po talaga to aiming for a crown. So, I am very dedicated and very determined to pour out all my effort, my energy in this pageant po talaga.
Yeah, let's talk about, let's go back to your runway. So, who trained you since ang galing-galing mo ng rumampa?
Yes po, I'm grateful for Tito Rog and Kuya En and the KF family po.
Wow, kaya naman pala.
Sila
Tatak
po,
KF.
yes,
diba?
Tatak KF. So, sila po yung talagang tumulong na i-bring out yung pasarela ko, yung kung ano pa yung pwede ko may pakita. So, I'm grateful na natulungan po nila ako na ilabas yun.
How old are you, dear?
I'm 24.
24, ang bata pa ni CJ.
Yes.
So after this, what's your plan? Are you still on training or dire-diretso na?
Kung ano po opportunity na nakaabang sa after this Binibining Pilipinas, I'm in.
How about sa competition na to? Are you still on training or
Yes po, I'm still on training and I'm still learning, of course. So marami pa po mga adjustment pero kinakaya.
how was the adjustment for you? Kasi 'di ba from local to
Yes po.
national pageants.
Hindi siya madali pero it's my dream kaya talagang kahit mahirap, kinakaya.
Ayan, dapat always positive tayo.
Yes
diba?
po, talaga.
And do you have any message to those who are watching now, especially sa mga younger sisters natin na they want to pursue also to become a Binibini in the future?
Ang only na masasabi ko po sa inyo, sa lahat ng dreamers natin yan na kahit na napaka-imposible ng pangarap nyo, alam mo, magiging possible yan through prayers and determination, dedication, and maniwala ka na someday, mararating mo din yung one day. Diba? Parang katulad ako, dati nangangarap lang ako na one day makakarating. Ngayon, sa Binibining Pilipinas, naranasan ko na yung day one na sa Binibini. So, yan.
Yes.
Huwag kang magsawang mangarap. So, napakasarap po talaga mangarap. And sobrang sarap din pag naabot mo na tong pangarap mo na to.
Ayan. Thank you so much for your message, CJ. Well, anyway, thank you so much also for watching, guys. Please don't forget to support CJ sa kanyang Binibining Pilipinas sa 2024 journey. And meron ka bang mga social medias to promote?
So, please follow me po sa Facebook, Carmela Joy Quaresma, and sa IG, Carmela Joy Quaresma as well. And sa TikTok din, Carmela Joy Quaresma as well din po.
Ayun.
And so, keep updated, guys. Please follow Binibining Pilipinas official page po.
Ayan. I forgot to ask you, what's your favorite product of Ever Bilena?
The lippy, the lipstick,
Wow.
the matte lipstick I'm using. Kasi
Wow.
the shade of Bear, it's really suit my moreno skin.
And as well as your personality.
Yes.
Ayan, bagay na bagay sa yung ganyang lipstick.
Thank you so much.
Ayan. Anyway, thank you so much once again, CJ, and best of luck sa journey mo sa Binibining Pilipinas.
Thank you so much. Also.
Have a nice day, guys.
Have a nice day. God bless everyone.
Thank you, babe.